Did you see that what some of the rest of us may not have seen, that it was different, that we were in a different era?
So when Anita Hill case, the Senate Judiciary Committee finally agreed to hear it. A team of lawyers was assembled very quickly to assist her because, she was a law professor. She didn't have people around her who had handled contested hearings before. And the senior partner at my law firm was recruited, and he recruited me to go help her. And so we took a red eye to Washington, D.C. from Phoenix, Arizona, where I was then practicing, and got there on a Tuesday, met our client that afternoon, and I think the hearings themselves started like 48 hours later. So, we were really running hard. That hearing was viewed by so many people around the country. People were riveted by it, and it was really the first time sexual harassment in the workplace had kind of entered the popular lexicon. Like, this is a real issue that lots and lots and lots of women have put up with it for far too long, and the hearing was managed very badly. So Clarence Thomas was confirmed. He's been on the court ever since. So fast forward, we get the Brett Kavanaugh hearing this last year. The same scenario in a way. And so what had changed? Well, one of the things that changed was that the Republicans on the committee didn't want to be in the position of cross-examining Dr. Ford the way they had cross-examined Anita Hill, which was horrific. And so they recruited a prosecutor from Maricopa County, Arizona, to come do it for them. I thought that was a strange solution. How about just asking fair questions, right? But the whole conduct of the hearing was so reminiscent of what happened with Hill Thomas, where the woman comes in, gives a very credible case, very believable, and then the accused comes in and just blasts the whole process and blasts the system and blasts everything and gets confirmed. And so it's like nothing had really changed. And I think we're all going to just have to work harder and be very intentional about making positive change in this area. So important.